We're in this huge evolutionary shift. And as it changes, we're beginning to reframe the metrics of value. And we're learning to tap into a state of well-being and integrity in a very different way than we have before. So when we look at this center, one of the gates on the center, which I think right now is probably the most important gate for us, all of us, it's like this is the gate, or the theme of this gate is what's up for all of us. And the theme of this gate is integrity. Integrity is one of the gates that regulates our sense of value and how we behave in the world based on our sense of value. Integrity, the gate 26, again, remember, it doesn't matter if you have it defined or open on your chart. We all have it, so we're all going to play with these archetypes and these themes. The gate 26 is actually one of the places where we hold on to trauma. It is a place where we are either in integrity with who we are, or we're out of integrity with who we are. When we live in integrity with who we are living from a place of high self-worth, and we take actions that claim and proclaim and defend our value in the world so that we stay sustainable. Anytime we experience trauma, meaning anytime we are repeatedly given the message and we internalize the message that it's not okay for us to be who we are or how we are, literally the body and the energy field experiences that as a micro trauma. It's a threat to who we are. It's a threat to our existence. And when we internalize that message, and it causes us to have an injury in our integrity, an injury in our structural integrity, it literally starts to damage who we are. It impacts the body, it impacts the immune system, and it certainly impacts the way in which we behave in the world.